So the next question is sizing. So once we know, our LID can perform well, like this performance, um, the percentiles is 60s. Once we enter those right percentages, we get the good results we want, and then you can look at this rainfall, extreme event rainfall around off depths. Just have a sense of kind of how many rainfall we'll have. I would say there's a couple ways to do. You kind of have to have an assumption like what kind of rainfall is to you extreme rainfall. Okay, in this case I pick 5 year, so you can just tell us your um, assumptions. In this case I pick this one like 5 years as the rainfall is kind of 1.5 inches. That's what I'm looking for. But you can also go to this rainfall event. Here they tell you the daily rainfall inches. You can look at some extreme ones. So these 2 inches here. So they can tell you, in that 20 years, how many, because the years to analyze 20 years. So what kind of rainfall we can have, you will see we don't have much more than 3 inches, a day, daily. So in this case, I just choose 1.5. So that's the first step. You might want to choose the event. You can choose in extreme event tab actually, or um, all this, rainfall runoff events, um, or runoff events tab. So there are two tabs you can pick. Okay, it doesn't have to be 5 years. It's just extreme daily. Um, so I think this is optional. So optional. Okay. Then we're good. So the first step is to know the what kind of rainfall we're trying to do. We're trying to cover. And then you enter 1.5 E here. It's the design storm for sizing. So that's why you need a sizing storm for sizing. So we'll say, okay, so our LIDs will prepare for storms like this. Imagine if there storms comes, and we will make sure the results, you know, are still same performance here. Then you go to rain harvesting, and what you do is you can find it out here. There's a button called Sites for Design Storm. If you click it, they will change numbers for you. Because right now, since I already did that, so you see restore to default, they change. If I click it, they'll change back. They'll change it for me. Okay, so that's the point. And then afterwards, you want to click accept. Okay, once you click accept, you pop up again. So you always gonna be the number that you change. If you don't click accept, they will go back to default. Okay, that's one thing. The same with the rain gardens. You can restore to default, and you click it. So see, they will put the number down here, and you click accept, so they will save it. So that's basically what I did. So that's why I got these numbers in here. Okay, so these numbers are really the numbers that can guarantee that if I have 1.5 inch of rainfall, I will guarantee the performance of my LIDs with this. Okay, um, which in this case, the daily rainfall 0.37. That's 16 percentile. Okay, so we are way over that, so which is good. Okay, that's what I mean down here. And then the other thing is, then the other question is, since we sized them, so we got a right size. What exactly is how large is the rain garden I need to perform, certain results? Okay, to perform um, these results. It is by looking at this one. You call it caption ratio. Okay, if you look at um, the IDs, you'll learn the caption ratio is the ratio of the rain garden's area to the impervious area that drains onto it. So the impervious area that drains onto it is basically its watershed. Okay, and the capturing ratio is the percentage of the rain garden to this watershed area. So what I mean is, first you want to know, um, you know, this is rain garden capture ratio. So it's rain garden's area to the impervious area that drains onto it. So the impervious area that drains onto it is the impervious area treated by rain garden, which is 2.2. It is from, see here, we calculated 2.2 down here, which is this area added this area. So once we understand this, we're good. We're really good. We're in good shape. So we just simply use this caption ratio, 14%, multiplied by 2.2. We got 0.3 acres. So our rain garden need to be as large as 0.3 acres, and the same section in here, the ponding height 6-inch, soil media thickness 12-inch. Then we are able to perform the same level of performance here. Okay, that's what I mean. So it's the same thing when you do other things. Green roofs, they don't have the sizing, but infiltration basins. See the caption ratio here. See the caption ratio here. So that's what we mean. Okay. That's this. Thank you.